Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be making over my brother's first home. My brother Hudson just turned 25 and just bought his very first house. We're going to be making over 2 rooms with a budget of just $400. I actually spent $406, but legit, I got so many amazing things and we're going to surprise him at the end. I'm here with my dad, Joe, and Alicia, so let's make it over now. So this is the living room. It's actually a great size, beautiful, bright new windows. He has a secondhand sofa and TV and love seat, and that's all that he has. So we're gonna fill it up. This is the dining room. I love that it's open concept. This is such a great, huge space, but he only has this one little teeny tiny table. He got this secondhand too, but this room has this beautiful gas fireplace, which I love. What I don't love in this space is the ceiling fan. We're gonna replace that with a light fixture I found at Goodwill, and then the piece de resistance is the kitchen. This is the inspiration for the entire design. I love these modern cabinets, black wrought iron handles, this blue color, so beautiful, and really trying to make it feel as modern as this kitchen does. So let's bring in furniture and get started. So now that we've brought everything in, it's time to place the furniture. That's always the first step. So we're gonna do some rearranging, lay down the area rug, and I'm gonna move the love seat from over here to under the window. It's a little big, but I'm hoping that it fits so we can have a conversation area. And once everything is placed, then we're gonna hang the curtains. Let's tuck it.
Like that?
We kind of want it, yeah, even Steven lemon squeezy.
What does that say?
I don't know. And just tuck a tiny bit. Holy mother of God!
What? Is that even though?
No, yours has to go touchy more. That's perfect. That's perfect. Sweep it into my shirt and I'll dump it outside. No, sweep it into my shirt. It's fine. The leaves will come off. Sweep it.
This is stupid.
Creativity,
So
creativity, creativity. No dustpan. We should have brought some supplies. We're doing this. We tried moving the love seat under the window, but it was just way too big. It was sticking out too much, so we decided instead to move in a chair that I had found at Goodwill the day before. It was $14. I decided to grab it just in case. I had a feeling the love seat might be too big. It was also a little bit too big to go under the window, but we're just gonna scoosh it off to the side to create a little conversation set. But now we're covering the sofa with this amazing cover from Walmart. I've actually used this in a few makeovers with a few different people's homes. I love this sofa cover so much. It's so stretchy, and when you tuck it in, it's going nowhere. You can sit on it, you can get up and down without it moving at all. And while I'm doing this, Joe and my dad are going to remove that ceiling fan and put up a new light fixture that I found on Facebook Marketplace. It was just $25. It was a total score. I got these great blue curtains from Amazon. They are exactly the same blue as the kitchen, and we're gonna hang them on the windows as high and as wide as we possibly can to make the windows look even bigger. These curtains are everything. They are so gorgeous. I am thrilled. They are the exact same color as the kitchen. They're blackout, they're thermal insulating. Curtains make a room, you guys. And I'm steaming them because they're hella wrinkly. That's all I'm saying. Now that all the furniture is placed and the curtains are up, it's time to hang all of the artwork. You guys, I'm gonna put a link to the video to show you how I made all of this artwork. These are like the budgetest artwork ever. Finding things at Goodwill, just painting it so it matches and ties everything together. It is the best way to save money and add those pops of color, entire room together. So we're gonna hang everything now, but when you're hanging artwork, here is the golden rule. Everybody hangs it too high. You want the center of your artwork to be at eye level for the average 5'6" person. So it's called gallery height. So I'm gonna get my dad and Joe to hang everything now. It's throw pillow time. It's my favorite time. This means not only are we almost done, but this makes a room, you guys. Out of my $400 budget, I spent $78 on throw pillows and I don't regret it. So let's put them on the couch now. More pillows! That's what it needs. Everything needs more pillows. Truth time. I legit sent Joe out for more pillows. Just one more pillow. I know I have a lot, but you can never have too many. Now it's time for finishing touches, so the accessories. I love this part. So this is a tray from the dollar store. Just painted it gray, put some paper in the bottom, and I got him books because you need books on your coffee table, especially Hudson. I need Hudson to get a girlfriend. I want people to come in and think like, oh, he's well read and sophisticated. So I bought the books only for the color. Don't look at the titles. A little Millennium Falcon. I painted this, a little hint of yellow to go on here, and some dollar store succulents that are definitely fake. Accessories make all the difference. Finishing touches, and then he's coming home. My brother loves Star Wars, so I just wanted to give a little hint to Star Wars here in the bar area. This is the bar in the movies, so he's gonna totally get that and know what it is. And then we're just gonna add a few little accessories. These are from the dollar store. How amazing! Just put on top of some Goodwill candlesticks. It looks so modern. It's giving me a little Beetlejuice vibe. Are you getting that Beetlejuice vibe, you guys? But anyways, I love it. And a shaker, because my stepmom loves martinis. Perfect. They're here. So Hudson's coming with my stepmom. My dad was here all day, so he knows what it looks like, but all three of them are gonna come see. I hope he likes it.
Oh my Lord. Wow.
He likes it.
Yeah.
It's a sophisticated man cave.
Yeah, it is.
It's like he's taking off his shoes.
I know. It's like the first time we've done that here.
It looks so good. And I love the pillows. I didn't know how you felt about the yellow, but tell me you love it.
No, yeah, it looks really good.
Yeah, look, it matches
I
your...
know, look at that, eh?
It's like you
Fancy.
coordinated for it. And we wanted it to feel really manly, but there's a little girly bling in the lamps. Because maybe there's a girl in your future.
Maybe.
Internet, he is super single. I'm just saying. You ready to see the dining room?
Yeah.
Oh, I like it.
Isn't it beautiful? And you have a bar.
That is awesome. That is super sweet.
I thought you'd like the light up bar.
Really, yeah.
It's a hint of Star Wars.
It is.
Okay, I didn't think you had any smile. I like it.
That's sweet.
Do you know? You get the reference.
got the
Yes! Yes! I love it. Because it's
So
like,
cool.
you can't have a bar without it being a little Star Wars bar.
Super.
That's probably my favorite thing is
Super,
the stuff
super
that you
awesome.
personally did. Like, I mean, you did it all, but like you did that for him.
And it all matches, and it matches your gorgeous kitchen. So that's what we did. We wanted everything to be matching of your kitchen. It's so sophisticated.
It is.
Yes. He's like,
Oh yeah. Just blown away. Thank you.
Oh, I'm glad.
Awesome.
if he gets a small smile, that's
Yeah.
like going over the
I'm
moon for him.
glad you
He's
like
much-
it.
yeah.
So now you have to invite us over for dinner.
Yeah, I will.
And you have to cook something other than mac and cheese. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're feeling inspired to make over a room in your house on a budget. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I thought instead of a funny story, because I didn't have a funny story, I would do a full budget breakdown for you of this space. This is all my brother had. He had some hand-me-down, a few pieces of furniture, and that's it. He doesn't have accessories, he doesn't have artwork, he doesn't have anything. He has video games, you guys. That's it. So even though the budget was $400, I had to buy so many things. So I wanted to share with you exactly what I spent on everything, where I got it, just for those of you who are curious. I think the biggest thing that I spent money on was definitely throw pillows, but those, I bought the covers. It's hard to find those secondhand. So those and the curtains were the biggest sort of investment. Thankfully, the couch covers were a gift from my stepmom. She had gifted those to him to cover the older couches, and artwork was so cheap. I'm so in love with Goodwill to find beautiful big pieces of art that you can completely cover, but you have the frame. I'm going to put a link to a video down below to show you how I recover all of those things. The light fixture was a great cost. Just like, here's the budget for those of you who are curious. It was a good, everything was a good deal. You want to talk about good deals? This area rug was $25.
Get out.
$25, and all the artwork was like $4. We got the coffee table and end tables for $50 for all of them. The 2 lamps were $25 for both lamps. So I'm just like,
because you have no idea. I've looked at lamps for Grandma and for us. Lamps are not cheap.
yeah, those are $100 each lamps. And so I shopped online. I took like 2 weeks to just find everything so inexpensively, and it just all worked
The
out.
art, like I do love your art.
Thank
You
you.
have so much talent.
He picked the styles he liked, and I just tried to replicate them, so.